Hi guys, welcome back to Slick and Natty. So this is the third video of our Diwali decoration series, and in this video we are going to show you how to make a colorful paper cube string of lights which looks as good with the lights on as it looks with the lights off. So without further ado, let's start with the tutorial. So for this we've taken origami sheets of different colors. Alternatively, you can take multicolored square sheets of size 14 cm into 14 cm. And this is a snapshot of all the steps that we are going to follow now, so you can use this later on for your reference. First of all, fold the square sheet across one of the diagonals and press it well to form a good crease, and then fold it across the other diagonal and again press and crease it well. Now open the sheet and fold it across the length like this, and then fold it across the breadth. So you should get creases on your paper like this. Now gently push it from the two sides and fold it so that you get a triangular structure like this. Make sure to keep pressing it well at every stage. Now lift one corner of the upper triangle and fold it like this. Do this with the other side as well. This is how we had folded it. Now repeat this on the lower triangle as well, so that you will get a rhombus structure like this. Now again fold it like this on the other side as well, and then flip it around and repeat the procedure on the other side, so that you get a structure like this. Now raise the flaps like this, and you have to insert these into the pockets. You'll be able to understand this better with this picture. So take the flap and insert it into this pocket. Repeat this on the other side. And then flip it around and repeat the same thing on the other side, so that you insert all the four flaps into the pockets. Now you have to blow air into this through this hole. And we suggest that you do this when you are alone because, well, you are going to look funny. And this is how the paper cube is going to look when it is fully blown up. Okay, so the paper cube is now ready, and we know that all these steps can be a little overwhelming for the first time, so we will be uploading this photograph on our Facebook page, so you can visit it and use it for your reference. Okay, so now is the time to get light into these paper cubes. So take a string of rice lights like this. Take a paper cube and insert one of the rice lights into it through the same hole through which you had blown air into it. Insert all the multicolored cubes that you've made and you'll get a beautiful string like this. These bright multicolored cubes make for a beautiful sight when light shines through these. You also have the option of making all the cubes out of white paper to get an all yellow look like this. Now you can hang this string across a window like this and it will look beautiful. Or you can even wrap it around a vase like we have done here. Or you can even hang it across the headboard of your bed to make your room look brighter and more colorful this Diwali. So we hope that you like this decoration idea and you'll be recreating it at your homes. Do share the pictures with us on our Instagram account, which is Slick and Natty, with the hashtag Diwali with Slick and Natty. And also, if you like this video, do share it with your friends and give it a thumbs up. Also, do watch part 1 and part 2 of our decoration ideas. We'll be releasing our 4th Diwali decoration video tomorrow, which will be on last minute quick decoration ideas. So do subscribe to our channel. It will mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.